Guys, here in Silver mode and we came about the full stack web development, and in today's full stack web development, this video your whole concept will be clear about it. So see the video start to it, and please like this video, share fast, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also never for any future later videos about the full stack web development. So without thinking anything, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's full stack web development video in the HTML, I am telling about the tables. So if you don't know what are tables, so in today's video your whole concept will be clear about it, what are tables in HTML. So let's learn about it. HTML tables allow web developers to arrange the data into rows and columns. This is an example. This is a company. Company name is Alvarez Furter Kisti, and the contact is Maria Enders. Like this one company names and contact. This is one table. Okay, what is this? It is make up one table. What is that? That is the table. Define an HTML table. Table in HTML consists of table cells inside the rows and column. In this example, this is a simple HTML table. Okay, this is a one very simple HTML table. Now let me copy this table and let me come on my Visual Studio and let me create a new window, and I'm making the window and I'm giving the file names will be index.html, and then I'm making this file on my documents and then create file, and yes, and then here I create a new table. So first of all I write the starting code of HTML like this, then I write like body, then I am pasting the code. Here I make a table. First of all, for making a table, you first of all write table element. In the table element you then write tr, then in the tr you write, in the th you write your all things, okay, like company, then contact, then country, then in the tr you write td, okay, td in the company what is come, then in the contact what is the come, like this, okay, and then save it and let me open my browser. So this type of you can see this type of one table has been built it. Here you can see it. You will also be styled using the css, okay. Now table cells, but I told you one structure how to make a table. Like this you can make your own table. This is a structure to making a table. Table cells, each table cell is defined by a td and td tag. TD full form is, TD stands for table data. FD between TD and TD are the content of the table cell. This one example here you can see it, like here we write like TD, okay. Here you will be also write that, and if you paste it, so here is come like email, Tobias and Linus, like this. Now note that a table cell contain all sorts of HTML elements like tags, images, lists, links, or other tables or etc. Table rows. Each table rows start with tr tag and end with tr tag. Okay, this is a start tag of the tr, and this is the end tag of the tr tag. Here you can see it. Now example, this is one example. Here you can see it, we write like in the td I write like this type of code. Here what we can do, here we define first of all table, and then here I have defined the tr, then the tr we write at td email Tobias Linus, then in the tr I write like 16 14 10, and then when I save it and run it, so here is coming like 16 14 10. Here you can see it, email Tobias Linus, like that. Now you can have many rows as you like in a table. You just make sure that the number of cells are the same in each row. Note that there are times when a row can have less or more cells than other. You will be learning more about in later chapters of the table. Okay, from now we are starting our table series. Okay, there are 3 to 2 videos of the tables. In the later chapter we learn about it. Okay, table headers. Now sometimes you want your cells to be table header cells. In those cases use the th tag instead of td tag. Th stands for table header. This is one example. In this example, let the first row be table cells. Okay. Here we give the header to our th. Okay. Here you can see it, th, like person 1, person 2, person 3. Like th help us to give the heading, okay, means that table heading. Th means like table heading, okay, like that. Now, like that you can come like here you write person 1, person 2, person 3 and you will make table like here. Or here you write like person 1, person 2, person 3, like that you can make it your table. Okay, now or you can write here like name, and then here then age, then male slash female kid, like that. Then save it and run it, so it come like okay, like name, then here's the name here, then age has been came here, then the male and female has been come in, like that. Okay, like that you can do it. Sorry, you write here gender. Okay, you will also write here gender. Now, like here, then you will be write like email, then you write here email, then 2bs. In the 2bs you write here like 16, or in the here you write like you write here like male. Okay, then you write here like 2bs, then 14, and then female. And then what you can do, same thing, tr, then td, and then Michael, and then td. In the td you write here the age, like I'm writing like 20, and then in the td you write like kid. Now save it and run it, so you can save it like that, you can build it. Here the name is coming, then age, the gender, here you can see it, or it is giving the space. So let me save it and run it. Now you can see like that you make your own table. Now let's come on our Word file. By default the text and th elements are bold and centered, but you can change that with CSS. Okay, you will be also change with th. Like let me show you how. You only write here style, and you write here font, like first of all you write here font family, and I am giving the pop in comma sans serif, then save it and run it. So we also change the font like this. Okay, so like that you can change your font also. So like that you can make your own table, or you will be also style it with using the CSS, or you will also change here the items, okay, which we write here. Okay, like you can see it. Now save it and it's coming like that. Like that is coming. Or you will make one more thing, like one more tr, or you write td, and the td you write like male, female, and then kid. Now save it and run it, so it's coming like email, like female, kid, like you can make a very table like this. Okay, here you can see in today's video I told you the basic structure to making the tables in the HTML. So I hope you can enjoy this class. In today's video of HTML I will learn about it in the HTML how to make a tables. Okay, so I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also to miss any future videos about the full stack web development and the HTML. So if you see this type of more videos, so you only want to do go on to Google Chrome and search in my channel by the name of Code with PK, and then open my channel, and first of all we are very near to 12,000 subscribers, so please complete it. Then come to the playlist and click on the HTML tutorial for beginners playlist. Then first of all bookmark this playlist and see all the videos from start to end. Then come on to the full stack web development from scratch playlist and see here from all videos start to end. Okay, and then bookmark it also and access this playlist also. But anyways, in today's video we learn about it what are tables in HTML. So the next video is also coming about the tables, okay, because we are making the videos in the parts. So make sure that the 1 to 2 videos are smaller of the tables. I'm not sure, but it will be okay. So now I'm in the next lesson. Next video I'm making a little type of videos. So now for today, good bye.